What's up, guys? I'm Bryan with Campo Vans, and this is my Delica.
This is my van.
This is my Delica. Bought it about 2 years ago and been building it out ever since. This guy's factory bull bar. Got some lights on there, Amazon special. Custom ladder I made. Roto pack that holds my diesel for my heater. 4-inch exhaust. Custom by Nomadic Van Life. Trasher, spare tire, big metal box. Bike rack, swing out bumper. Full back zone with kitchen and water. Shower right there. And Sunseeker awning by Rhino Rock.
Did you buy it all off-roady or did you make it off-roady?
It's kind of an off-road van. Factory-ish, but it did not look like this at all. It was kind of a weird blue-gray. I got it and took over from there. Full Raptor line paint job, my parents' driveway. It just swings out like this, and I get access to the whole back door of the van. Got my hitch, I can tow my jet ski or my moto. Nice little rain cover. I got my kitchen back here. Water tank underneath where the spare tire used to be. And then I just go right here with my big drawer. Got my stove underneath here, so this comes this way. Some storage under there. You know, I can throw my stove on this. Right here if I want to stand over here. It gives me access to all my storage, things like that. Just some good little spots for small stuff, you know. Our guy at the shop, Mike, and my friend just kind of has been starting to do this slot wall idea. So these all just kind of hook in, and we've got different attachments. And then in this zone, I had a little bit of extra space, so I just have all this tool storage here. Right here, I just shove that back. Got a light on the inside and hang some clothes. I just got some bedding in here. Another slot wall on the inside right here. It's pretty much got everything we would normally put in a full-size Sprinter build in this tiny, compact little zone. S-bar heater down here. Deep sink. Gives me water inside. Nice 12-volt fridge right here. Very small. Yeah, smallest one I could find. I kind of had to base counter and, you know, my bed depth around the size of this fridge. And this thing opens both ways. Had an extra half-inch up here, so slide out cutting board. I made this little tray that just slips on the counter. I can take it off if I need to and get in my little electrical zone here. Just all the electrical stuff. And then I can just flip this over and cup holders. I got 2 medium-sized Campo bags. I can just take these out of the van and load them up, bring it back in and hook them on some L-track right there. Some secret storage in the wheel well down there.
Oh, does it go all the way to the bottom?
Yeah. I got this cool hardware from RB Components that acts as a backrest and the bed, so it just flips down. And that just goes right there. And I say I'm 6 foot if you have someone over.
Not you.
Not me, I would never do that. This flips down, and then this little panel actually slides out. And then you can take these cushions, so you're fully supported. I'm fully supported there. I got my 3-inch cushions, 6'5", 6'4". Even when the door's closed, I can just slide that in. And then I can just move right over to here and flip it back. I bought the rig for $10K. It reads 376,000 kilometers. Spent about $6K at Nomadic Van Life on some engine work. Another $4K in parts. Around 20 in. Getting in the driver's seat. It was Japanese, it's imported. Yeah, it's on the right side. So it's over here. Probably one of the first things I made in the rig. Lots of storage inside and window switches in the center. And then I jumped these off the battery actually, which is really nice when you're camping. So you don't have to have the key in. 2 lights on the front, a light on each side, and then rear lights. And I can just turn those on kind of as I'm cruising right here. It's funny, I'll be cruising somewhere where I'll be going up a hill and there's a line of people behind me, and then they finally pass me and then they're stoked that I'm driving a slow rig. So that's been fun. Inside car temp. I've got my AC right here, so that's all I need. Nomadic Van Life hooked me up with their stage 1 tune. Side pipe exhaust, and then a bunch of engine and different mods. Better horsepower, they increased my boost. Yeah, it's 4-wheel drive. Look at this turning radius though.
Yeesh.
Yeah. Well pleased with the way the rig turned out. I don't think I could have done that without Mike, my coworker. A lot of what you see in here is from Mike's hands on the computer. That was really cool to have him helping me. The whole thing's dialed. And it's happy. Campo Van.